Today I am in a Mitsubishi Outlander and I'm going to show you how to put this particular Mitsubishi Outlander into four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive for this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. I'm going to show you how to put it in there. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Mitsubishi Outlander, right? I'm behind the steering wheel of the Mitsubishi Outlander. In order to turn on the four-wheel drive, what you'll do is, okay, my vehicle's in park, okay, I have my foot on the brake. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look down and you'll see that there's a button on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander and it says 4WD. That stands for four-wheel drive, okay? Getting closer so you can see this a little bit. See that? It says four-wheel drive. Okay, so I'm going to press this, and when I press this, you'll see that on the instrument panel there is a light that goes on that says 4WD. That is indicative that it's in four-wheel drive. Now if I go back down here and I press this button again, it is in four-wheel lock. It'll say four-wheel lock right here. Okay, and if I go down here and I press this again, it will go off. The four-wheel drive is not engaged. Okay, you'll see up on the instrument panel, it's not engaged. Now, you'll want to read your owner's manual so you know specifically and in detail how to do it for your particular Mitsubishi Outlander on how to turn on the four-wheel drive. All right, this is a guide to show you a little bit of how to get it started, but read the owner's manual so you know specifically how to do it in your particular Mitsubishi Outlander. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.